Okay, I've got to do better with this. My $130 network appliance that cost $25,000 when it was first done and sent out to the public, the Solar Peak EdgeConnect Unity ECMDL is 8 bays, SSD bays, fiber optic NIC. It's got an E2176G Xeon processor. It has 64 gigabytes of ECC RAM. It has, I can't even name it all. Don't think those people knew what they were selling, but if this whole gig doesn't work out, I'm still gonna make mint on it. I just need better speeds for this thing when I hang it in the garage, because it's like a jet plane in here. It cannot be inside. On the other hand, nobody else has a CRV with a Z2 Mini G3, G4 workstation and monitor with keyboard and mouse on top of it that I know of. Of course, it hasn't left the garage, but still, you know, I've got that. And will it have been worth it if this entire rig goes tumbling off my car onto the garage, breaking $500 worth of computer equipment? Yes, yes it will have. Getting a very disappointing 15 megabytes per second and with my Ethernet overpower coming from the garage. I'm working in my garage and copying from my computer to the NAS is even slower. We're getting about 8 megabytes per second. I do not think this Ethernet overpower is going to work. And